want to be my friend?
No. Hi guys, today we're going to open the Llama Tama. Go.
Awesome!
Watch them reveal the truth. Can't decide? Ask Llama Tama. Which will you get? Let's find out.
Super genius!
Awesome!
I got Roni. Yeah! Are you mad? Are you... Is your name Roni? Are you angry? Do you speak more than one language?
Cool.
Do you have other Llama Tama friends?
Let's open mine.
Yes!
Wow. I got Lulu. Is your name Lulu? Do you want to be my friend?
No.
Do you want to be my friend?
We are going on a road trip, and we are going to let the Llama Tamas decide what snacks to bring.
Okay.
Let's go.
Can we bring bacon crispies?
Awesome!
Potato sticks.
Cool.
No. Do you want Kit Kat?
Chocolate lollies. M&M's.
Please, can I have Nerds gummy clusters?
And you will see.
Yes! Can I have the Nerds gummy clusters fruits one too?
Awesome!
Can we have Mr. Porky? Can we have milk chocolate peanuts?
Yes!
Can I have these biscuits?
What?
Bye. Goodbye.